This is the bird dog row. First, we're going to try to find that neutral pelvis. You can do a little bit of a cat-cow to find that neutral pelvis there. And then making sure we're drawing our core in. And we want to make sure that stays in a nice straight line. You can see that little bit of a correction there where we're trying to keep everything nice and tight. And as we row, we're just going to row right until our hand kind of touches our rib cage and then back down. So same thing, you can see it from the other side. That leg stays nice and straight. We want to almost think that we're reaching from our heel to the wall behind us and from our head to the wall in front of us, making sure that our core stays tight and there's not too much wiggling.